2023 Nissan Z. Starting at $41,015. Overview. Sports cars are having a moment. Witness the revived Toyota Supra and the splashy mid-engine Corvette that both debuted last year, so it's perfect timing for Nissan to redesign its aging Z Coupe. Perfect, also, because it's clearly become dated. Historically, Nissan's sports car has sported an alphanumeric name, such as the outgoing 370Z model and the original 240Z from 1969, but this generation will simply be called Z. The 2023 Z is powered by a 400 HP twin-turbocharged V6 engine driving the rear wheels through a 6-speed manual or a 9-speed automatic. We're impressed with the Z's playful handling and zippy acceleration, and we were delighted to find that it's overall more refined than the car it replaces. Mercifully, the Z also receives a technology update with new touchscreen infotainment, a reconfigurable digital gauge display, and a host of new driver assistance features. Whereas the last generation 370Z went up against more affordable sports cars such as the Mazda MX-5 Miata and the Toyota 86 in price and performance, this next generation car moves slightly upmarket to put the Supra in its crosshairs. What's new for 2023? Nissan's iconic Z car is all new for 2023. Previewed by the Z Proto concept car, the new Z draws design inspiration from past models but gives us a glimpse into the future with updated technology and a much-needed interior modernization. The new Z goes on sale in summer 2022 as a hardtop coupe, but a convertible version could follow later. Pricing and which one to buy. Z Sport. $41,015. Z Performance. $51,015. Z Proto Spec. $54,015. Although its base price is higher than the outgoing 370ZS, the new Z still represents a bargain compared to key rivals such as the Supra and the Audi TT. To justify its higher price tag, the Z ups the ante with more luxury features and more desirable styling. We'd go with the mid-range Z Performance trim, which adds a sportier suspension tune, a limited slip differential, upgraded brakes, 19-inch wheels with summer tires, and power-adjustable seats with faux suede upholstery. Engine, transmission, and performance. Like its beastly brother, the Nissan GT-R, the Z is powered by a twin-turbocharged V6. But, instead of the fire-breathing 565 HP 3.8-liter that's under the hood of the GT-R, the Z gets a 400 HP 3.0-liter mill from the Infiniti Q60 Red Sport 400 paired to either a 6-speed manual or a 9-speed automatic. While all-wheel drive is available in the Infiniti, Nissan is sticking with rear-wheel drive exclusively for the Z. The Turbo 6 gives the Z a lot of zip, and we estimate it should get to 60 miles per hour in as little as 4.2 seconds. Cornering grip is tenacious, and the ZS Sport Tune suspension is both an eager partner on twisty roads and compliant enough to provide comfort when commuting. When we get a chance to take the Z to our test track, we'll update this story with more driving impressions and test results. Fuel economy and real-world MPG. The EPA hasn't released any estimates for fuel economy for the new Z, but if the Q60 is anything to on, we can expect highway fuel economy ratings as high as 28 mpg or so, with city ratings falling just south of the 20 mpg line. We'll know more closer to the car's on-sale date, and we're hoping to test the ZS highway fuel economy on our 75 mph test route. For more information about the ZS fuel economy, visit the EPA's website. Interior, comfort, and cargo. Although it's new for 2023, Nissan hasn't changed the layout of the ZS cabin. It remains a two-seat coupe with no vestigial rear seats à la Porsche 911. What has changed, though, is everything else. The new Z receives a modernized cabin with updated materials, a welcome improvement over the current 370ZS dated interior. Leather upholstery, power-adjustable seats, and dual-zone automatic climate control are all available. Cargo space remains a mystery, but we aren't expecting the Z to be a Costco-run champion. We fit 3 carry-on suitcases in the trunk of the old 370Z, which should be plenty for most sports car buyers. Infotainment and connectivity. Nissan has brought the Z into the 21st century with a standard 8.0-inch infotainment display. A 9.0-inch unit with navigation is optional, a 12.3-inch digital gauge display, Sirius XM satellite radio, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. A 6-speaker stereo is standard, but audiophiles can upgrade to an optional premium audio arrangement engineered by Bose. An onboard Wi-Fi hotspot is also available. Safety and driver assistance features. Nissan offers the Z with several standard driver assistance features, including automated emergency braking, pedestrian detection, and blind spot monitoring. For more information about the Z's crash test results, visit the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, and Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, IIHS, websites. Key safety features include standard automated emergency braking with pedestrian detection, standard lane departure warning, standard adaptive cruise control, warranty and maintenance coverage. Nissan's basic warranty package is just that, basic. Rivals such as the Supra and the BMW Z4 both augment their standard warranties with lengthy complementary maintenance plans. Limited warranty covers 3 years or 36,000 miles. Powertrain warranty covers 5 years or 60,000 miles. No complimentary scheduled maintenance.